Again, this is what tissue? Soft tissue. So the soft tissue is supposed to contain mesenchymal cells such as adipocytes, fibrous tissue. But here you see large areas of this. And especially here in this particular area, you see just traces of the adipocytes. You don't see the adipose tissue anymore. This is supposed to be still occupied by these cells. This is the tissue, more or less fibroadipose tissue. But what do we see here? Collections of inflammatory cells. In fact, this particular picture or this particular fragment shows already this area where I think this is foreign body material. There's a foreign body material there. But beside it, you can see a lot of inflammatory cells. And when you go on higher magnification, that would imply traces of adipocytes here and there. Because the rest of the adipose tissue has already been liquefied. It has been replaced by this teeming or numerous inflammatory cells. I don't know if we go higher magnification to that. What are the inflammatory cells that you can see? Neutrophils, predominantly. Predominantly neutrophilic infiltrates. So this tissue is supposed to be occupied by adipocytes, but you don't see them anymore. And what replaced them are these inflammatory cells, mostly neutrophils, some lymphocytes probably, and plasma cell and macrophages, which have liquefied that area, which underwent necrosis. Okay? Any question? This is the last one.